Hey jammers, and welcome back to the channel. It's Tech Talk time again, and today I wanted to revisit the Sony RX100 VII. There's been a couple of problems that a few vloggers have highlighted, and I'd like to talk about them today. The first of which is there doesn't seem to be any ND filter built into the camera, and also no shoe mount to mount an external microphone. If you're new here, please subscribe, it really helps out the channel. And to be notified when a new video is uploaded, please ring the bell. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. We think we've got these issues sorted out in an easy and cost-effective way. So jammers, let's get into it. So let's take you through these issues one at a time, the first being the ND filter. So Sony have an ND filter adapter for the RX100 series. That then gives you the option of screwing on a 49mm filter. We chose a variable ND filter. And we found both of these items on B&H's website, and I'll put a link in the description down below. So let's take a look at how we put these items on and how they work.
So here's what we purchased, the Sony filter adapter 49mm. So the first thing you do is use this supplied placement tool. This allows you to place the self-adhesive ring on the lens in the correct position. Once the ring's stuck to the lens, you can then apply your desired filter by screwing it onto the adapter like so. And then place the adapter down onto the ring. Use the side buttons, press down, and you now have a variable ND filter mounted to your Sony RX100 VII.
The second issue was not having a place to mount an external mic on the camera. And we used this Ulanzi cold shoe bracket to solve the issue. Ulanzi also have an L bracket available now for the RX100 VII, and we've ordered it, and I'll put a link to that and this bracket in the description below. So let's take a look how we put this bracket on and how it works.
So Ulanzi call this bracket the PT5 vlogging stand, and it basically screws into the tripod mount underneath the camera like so. At the bottom of the bracket, you're presented with a screw to fit your tripod. And the perfect tripod for the job is this Sony shooting grip. I love this tripod for vlogging, and I'll put a link in the description down below for it. With tripod mounted, you now have a cold shoe mount to the side of the camera, and which you can now mount a microphone onto that cold shoe. We're using the great Comica mic due to its slim line design, as it fits perfectly next to the camera. And I'll put a link to this great little microphone in the description section below. Shooting grip and microphone now attached, you can plug their cables into the side of the camera. Thanks once again Sony for letting us have that microphone input. And there you have it, problem solved with a microphone and ND filter attached.
So that's it. Both issues solved. And I think you'll agree that the Sony RX100 VII is vlogging perfection. So that's it jammers. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell and hit the like button. Jam Life signing out.